Alright, y'all. So we out here with the little cows, enjoying their little home out in freedom. Yes, they are. They're enjoying this wonderful prison that they're in. These are somebody's cows. Looks like they're taking pretty good care of them. They got some land to roam around in and stuff. They don't look to be diseased or sick, packed in little crates. However, most likely they will be slaughtered for the benefit of their human owners. Oops, sorry about that, y'all. And so yeah, just out here doing a little ride. I thought my vegan viewers would love to see some little cows out in the wilderness, just enjoying in the mountains in the background. Out here on the bike, just getting it in, y'all. Yeah, y'all, so I'm over here on a little back road, exploring new roads, getting it done. Yeah, got my B12 shot injection yesterday, the only known proven way to increase serum B12 levels in your blood. Get injections, y'all, like sublinguals or any type of pills, tablets, whatever. I'm gonna tell you right now, you're not gonna get the results that you want. Bear with me here, gotta shift gears, y'all. So, yeah, wow, there's a pink house over here. Let me let y'all check this out. Straight pink house. Huh, where'd it do that at? Must be some girl's house. Anyways, so yeah, another mountain, another day, another mountain. So I'm on some back roads, so I figured I'd bust out the phone, you know, continue with this vlog. How many miles I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna be honest with you, I ain't feeling it. For some reason or the other, I think I've been going really hard on the days when I go to and from school, like too hard, back to back to back. So I rested all day yesterday and this morning, and I waited for the warmest part of the day to come out because it was freezing earlier. And it's still pretty cold, by the way. But yeah, I think I've been going too hard because I'm pretty wore out. Ain't feeling it, but just coming out here like a nice little walk on the bike, you know? Spinning the legs, keeping the cadence high, and just enjoying life. All right, y'all, check back in with you in a little bit. Make sure you carb up, y'all, when you're on your long rides. I got a long way to go to the house, but I decided to go for a little long ride, and that's what I'm doing. Another beautiful day for it. A little chilly, but, you know, ain't feeling 150%, but got to give it my all, got to get back to the house. Make sure y'all carb up. Try to get sufficient little fruit snacks I got in. Water and sugar in your body to fuel the muscles. Glycogen storage is up to the fullest extent. Hemoglobin 220. That's what we're doing. All right, y'all.